Hello, I'm going to show you how to use animations in a Google slide. So animations are different from transitions, where a transition is the animation between a slide, from slide to slide. An animation is any activity that happens within a slide. So for instance, if I want this here slide to start blank and then I'm going to have this title and then these icons come in afterwards, I'm going to use animations. So the animation tool is a little pane that will pop up on the side here, and it's available under Insert and then Animations here. But as you can see, it's currently grayed out because when I make my first animation, I'm going to do it before the pane's even here. So I'm going to select Gaff Help here, Insert, and now I can click Animations, and it's already started my first animation here. So each of these little gray sections here, so for this, it gives me a little sort of a preview of or a indication of what is selected. That's a tiny image there of this. So for that, I want it to fade in, and currently it's set on click. But let's say I want it to, instead of fade in, I want it to zoom in, and then I want it to happen only on click. I can have it linked with other ones with previous and after previous if I'd like. I'll show you that in a second. And then I can change how fast I want it. And then we can always hit play to see what it actually looks like. So I'm going to click, and there it is. The sound effects are extra though. Those aren't included. Okay, let's say I'd like all these icons now to appear independently. So I can make a whole list of different animations here. I can just click on my drive icon here, click add animation, and then the default is fade in on click and at a 1 second delay. And just keep on going through these. Add animation, and I can have a whole collection of animations. I think I got them all. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. Now your animation order here is drag and droppable, so you can move around the order of things, and also you can link things together. So if I want maybe these two to come together on the slides icon here, rather than on click, I can just go with previous, and then those two will come together as a little pair. Maybe down here I can do that as well. Oops. With previous, then it looks like this. Those two come together. Oh, that one and that one came together because I messed up the order. So on and so forth. Now this is kind of interesting, is that you can have more than one animation per object here. So I can select Gaff Help Title, even though it's up here. I can add another animation for that, and at the end I can have that zoom out. So then it would look like this. All these things appear, and then that leaves. So that's using animations with images. Let's go over here and have a look at animations with text. Now, the whole paragraph here, or the whole text box, will work as basically like one image. So when I click Add Animation, it shows like the first word of it, but this is going to be the whole paragraph coming in together, or the whole text box. However, if I want all my points to come in separately, there's this handy little by paragraph box that appears when you have a text box selected. So if I select that, now each one of these is going to come in on click. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. So you can use this if it's really important for your audience not to see the next point, not to get ahead. If you use it too often, you have all the points appearing, it can be annoying. Just a quick little warning there. And other than that little paragraph button, everything else is the same. So I can have paragraphs that come in linked previous or after previous. All the same animations are all available there, and then I can also move it around and change the speed. So that is animations in Google Docs or Google Slides. Thanks.